As the holiday season kicks in, trying to keep the Christmas spirit alive can be done through flavors in your kitchen. So this morning we'll learn how to create festive treats using ingredients really available, right? They're readily available at supermarkets and local markets. Chef David Brown, owner of Pages in the Garden, Hope Gardens, will show us how to do that. Welcome, Chef. How are you doing?
Thank you. I'm doing well. Same to you.
Now, listen, as we rightly said a while ago, you know, the season's about the flavors, right?
Yes.
What are the flavors that we usually find reoccurring every Christmas?
So the smell of ginger and also nutmeg and also cinnamon, vanilla, all of these flavors are things that we are accustomed to smelling at Christmas. And because of the hurricane, quite a few of the items that we would use are no longer available or easily available, or they're very expensive. Sorrel, for example, is one of those. So we are looking at substituting another Christmas drink, which is ginger beer for that, because the ginger has been preserved because it's a root crop, so it's found under the ground. So we can get ginger and the prices are not so bad.
Right.
So let me just tell you a little bit about how to make this ginger beer.
Yeah, let's get started because you're making two things for us, right?
Yes, I'm going to actually... Ginger beer is one. And the hot chocolate would be the other.
Okay, you're suggesting that we can actually make ginger beer, but you know,
from scratch.
So beer has a little fizziness and, you know, a little thing that feels like you've added some things that we can't pronounce in it.
Right.
You're saying we can get that same kind of experience.
You can get that.
Okay,
and
all right.
The beauty is that the ginger is readily available and it is quite quick and easy to do. I'm using my mother's recipe.
Okay.
And all you need basically is some ginger. You wash it, you cut it up, and then also you add two other main ingredients, sugar and a little lime juice, okay?
Everything one time in one blender?
Well, you can, but it's probably better to just put in the ginger first and blend it and then strain it. So something like this, quick, easy, throw it in, cover it up back.
And then you're going to blend for us.
Press the button. Okay. So it would be like that. Then you would strain it, add the sugar.
You add the sugar after you've strained it?
Yes.
Got it, okay.
Some people do it before, but it's best to do it after so that it's not absorbed into the trash.
Yeah.
So the sugar, then a little lime juice, and the magic bullet is a little Angostura bullet.
That's what I wanted to ask you
Angostura
about.
bitters, a small amount, not a lot, just a little
What is
bit.
that you say?
Angostura bitters.
That is found in the supermarket?
It is. It's kind of hard to get. It's from Trinidad, but it's a bitter type taste. So you have a sweet, you have a tartness, and you have a little bitter, and that's what really makes it good.
So where does that fizziness come from, though?
Some people put the ginger beer down to ferment over a couple of days out of the fridge, and then it produces a gas, and then it gets a little bit of that. But the real fizziness that you taste in ginger beer is really done in factories to make it like a soda.
Right.
So this will have a bit of a punch to it, but it's not quite a powerful fizziness.
Okay, and if I don't want the sugar in there, is there an alternative I could actually use? Maybe honey?
You can use honey, of course.
Okay.
And there are other sweetener substitutes. And you can do it without sugar if you'd like to as well.
Oh Lord, that tastes like a tonic.
It is very much, and it opens up your pores. It's really good for you.
And take out other inflammations out of the body, right?
Absolutely, it's excellent.
All right, so we have another drink here. This is chocolate tea. Jamaican favorite.
Jamaican chocolate tea, and this is something that we would have grown up with, seen our perhaps grandmothers make. You have it for breakfast with some fried dumpling and whatever else, especially the day after Christmas. Very, very good. So you have your chocolate balls here. Again, these were made a good while ago, and they can keep for a long time. So
yeah, you can find them in the supermarkets like that.
Supermarket,
packaged.
The market. I get mine from Miss Gloria in Papine Market.
Hey, morning, Miss Gloria.
Yeah, she's really wonderful. So we grate this, if you'd like, and then when you grate it, it looks something like this.
Oh, nice.
And then you can just add it to the water and keep it boiling. The other option is if you don't want to grate it, you just boil the water and drop the balls in, and they will dissolve because it's kind of oil-based.
That's what I was going to ask you.
And
right.
It's nice.
Okay, good.
And then you just stir it up. Again, you can strain it, or you can go ahead and add everything to it. Add a little condensed milk to it. Or if you want to, you can use coconut milk. Or you can use a combination. The coconut milk gives it that nice old-time flavor. Then the key thing would be your spices.
Right.
Nutmeg, not a whole lot to taste. Cinnamon, and of course a little vanilla. The vanilla is crucial.
So it seems to me like two things. You season with your ancestors in mind, right?
Absolutely.
Until you hear them tell you to stop.
And as it's coming, the smell is coming.
You can know whether or not you're on point. Eh?
Yeah, but the smell is telling you everything.
If you've added too much chocolate, though, to the pot, will it taste the same way, or will it taste a little bit bitterish?
It will be bitterish.
Yeah.
Some people like it like that, like dark chocolate.
Okay.
This is really an excellent source of dark chocolate. However, you can always add more water or add more milk. Or tip a little coconut milk to tone it. And the key thing in the toning, however, is the salt. You want a little bit of salt, not a lot. And then you stir all of this up.
Okay.
And you get a wonderful balance. You can just do it by taste. I think your taste will guide you. So just follow your instincts.
Well, while you pour it for me, tell us where we can find your Pages in the Gardens.
Sure.
Yeah?
We are located at Hope Gardens, beautiful Hope Gardens, the best place to come and relax. Mm-hmm. And then very easy to find. We're beside the Chinese gardens. And we do a lot of catering, especially at this time of year.
Nice.
As well.
And you have this every day there?
Yes.
Okay, awesome.
Every day.
Thank
and
you
the
so
ginger
much.
beer is here. I don't know if you want to taste a little bit.
Oh, Lord. Wish me luck. Okay, bottoms up.
Yeah.
You're not going to have any, you have to have your own stuff. Let me know it's real.
Absolutely.
Okay, good.
I have too much of it every day, actually.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
All right, guys. Chef David Brown, owner of Pages in the Gardens, Hope Gardens. Coming up next, we're going to be looking at human rights and healthcare in Jamaica. But this is really good. Thank you so much.
Blessings.
Appreciate this.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, it's actually pretty good.
It's the real thing. Thank you very much.
Very good.